That controller had sent Edward to the works for an overhaul. In Edward's place on the branch line, he sent James. James hated this work, but surprisingly didn't complain much due to the fact that he believed that Edward's chase after him had led to his wearing out. James thought long and hard about the blue engine. "I feel terrible," he admitted to Lily and Stanley one afternoon. "You should. You're a dick." "Hey!" "What specifically about?" "Well, I don't think it's a coincidence that Edward left right after my little runaway. Maybe if I hadn't done such a foolish thing, he'd still be here and alright. Oh, and after I called him those horrible names." The two old engines laughed. "That is sweet, but no. Edward was always a little rattlebox." "Yes, the dock workers called him the old Clanker, and the townspeople called him the lunch bell." "The lunch bell?" "He always clanks through the capital punctually at noon. That's when people eat." One time, he clanked so loudly that it interrupted a meeting in the Sodor Council. Driver says there were ink blots on the notes showing where Edward passed through. "Haha, must have been a racket." "Yes, but don't you make fun of him. Like you said, he's done a lot for you." "Oh, I won't." The point is, Edward was worn out even before your incident, but still be kind to the old engine. He did save you after all. James wholeheartedly agreed. And when Edward returned from his long service, James greeted him warmly. "Welcome back, old Clanker," he said affectionately. "Old Clanker? Oh, Lily?" But the two red engines just laughed.